Hi, Tol. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Tol. Paunta si Amay, duhag dyan mo ma-celebrate. Nalimtan ba yan ako yung birthday, abi na ko na ito pang 24. Kay 28 na yung birthday. Tol, good health ka lang and more blessings to come. I hope nga good health ka lang per me. Tagaan ka ni Lord, sing maayong lawas always, Tol. Tol, ang imo pag-inom. Hinay-hinaya na, Tol, ha? Kagakaedad ka na, 60 ka na. I hope soon, Tol, makabakasyon ka mo diri para magkita-anay na pud kita. Happy birthday, Tol. Enjoy your day. God bless. From Iloilo City.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mako. God bless. Enjoy your day.